What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have a game that's been pissing off millennials. Alright, Hasbro has been ticking off some people because they've taken their famous Monopoly game and made some versions that are mocking some classes of people. Shame, shame. Hey, this one is called Monopoly for Millennials. And there are a couple other versions here. I've been trying to get my hands on them, but because they've been in the news lately, they're not that easy to get. So I thought I would show you what Monopoly for Millennials includes here. First of all, it comes in kind of a standard Monopoly box. And then we have money. Yeah. We have those cards, community chest and whatnot, I'm assuming. Pieces, and then the board. And we also have, for whatever reason, a bunch of punch outs that have cameras on one side, and then they have likes and dislikes on the other side. So I guess this is going to be slightly different than regular Monopoly, but I'm almost positive that these are going to be the equivalent of hotels and houses on property. I've got to assume, right? Maybe. So first of all, we do have 2 die, which are included, and they're all kind of gold toned. And let's take a look at what we get here. First of all, we have a camera because you're always going to take pictures of everything, including your meals out. We have a pair of shades, a pair of sunglasses right there because you got to look good, live the Instagram life. Ooh, we've got a bike here. Not sure if it's a ride share bike or if it's electrified, but that's how we get around. Then we have hashtag, not a pound anymore. They've co-opted it and called it pound. And then we have the crying emoji because we're laughing so hard. And then the last one is the Monopoly guy icon right there. So we've got all of those. I'm going to open up the money here. So we have $5, $20, and $100. What's interesting is we've got leaves down in this corner. We have a pear down in this corner, and we have a coffee cup down in that corner. And then we have the cards here, take a chance cards. We also have what appear to be the community chest cards. And then we have all of the properties, which look like they're pretty funny. So first of all, let's take a look at the community chest. What does this one say? You reach 500,000 subscribers on your travel page. Collect $30. Your lifestyle vlog reaches 1 million views. Keep this card until you're ready to use it, as if cancel a been there, done that, or finders keepers card when it is played against you. All right. Develop a successful dating app and find love. The gaslight in your car just came on, so you still have 10 miles in the tank. Time to rank your friends. Choose 1 player to collect 3 experience chips, 1 to collect 2, and 1 to collect 1. If you don't have 3 friends or even 2, collect $10 from the bank instead. Maybe these are experience chips. Your mom learned how to text. Advance to go. You get a 4th job. Hashtag hustle. So lots of community chest cards there. How about the chance cards? Choose any 1 player to go to a music festival with you. Oh. Choose 1 player to try out a new restaurant with you. Choose any 1 player to go backpacking with you. You learn how to build a treehouse by watching a video. You were looking for jobs but ended up streaming video for hours. All right. So now let's take a look at the board. This is what I'm really interested in. All of the properties that you might expect on Monopoly. And they have to be renamed for our millennial friends. So first of all, you'll start here, go, and let's go ahead and take a look at what we got here. And here it is, parents, basement, chance, friends, couch, bike share, instead of railroads, thrift shop, community chest, farmer's market, still jail, vegetarian bistro, of course, that's why we have that pair. Vegetarian bistro there, bike share, tarot shop, community chest, artisan coffee bar, free parking, karaoke club, yoga studio, animal rescue, national parks, maker space, live work loft, 3-day music festival, fire festival, and week-long meditation retreat. Oh, so millennial. Pretty cool. Again, I'm not going to go over all the rules, but obviously you will have some of your cards here. Plenty of money to go around, and lots of fun rolling die. So, hey, if you want to pick up this game for having a little fun with your millennial friends, or your non-millennial friends who like getting a good laugh at the millennials' expense, pick up this game. It's not expensive, and you always want to have a Monopoly game on hand anyway. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda. Out!